Welcome back to my another video. Today's topic, how to change desktop icon in Windows 11. Let's start. First of all, right-click anywhere on the desktop screen, and click to personalize option. Now, click to Themes options. Then, you click on the desktop icon settings option. If you want to show more options in desktop, then select one by one. You can also change the desktop icon that you want. Thanks for watching this video. I think now you understand how to change and show desktop icon in Windows 11.